Welcome back to Edgemont Elegance, everybody. Week 58, getting so close to being finished. I am standing on the newly installed artificial turf. It hasn't been all finished and filled and power raked and all that sort of stuff yet, but it's here and it's all been shaped. And you can see the cool little garden beds that the clients have had designed into their front yard. It's really quite a beautiful front yard. I mean, save all of the fencing and porta potty, of course. It's a really, really cute front yard, and there's just a walkway missing going down to the basement suite that will go along that side of the property there, but it's looking really, really good. I'm really happy with how this front yard is shaping up. Obviously, we've got some cleanup to do this week, but looking fantastic. Okay, so we are here on the main floor. Not a ton has changed since we were here last week. The primary work has been happening upstairs and downstairs, but now the painting team is rock starring out on the main floor, getting all of the trim filled and rocking and rolling. Doors are getting ready for paint, tons of action. Let's just go over here and check out this fireplace. On a previous video, I noticed that our team had finished the moldings on this fireplace differently than what's here now, and it wasn't to my liking anyways. This is to my liking. This looks beautiful. Once this gets painted up, this is going to look absolutely magnificent. Really exciting to show you the finished result of this sucker. Should be very cool. Okay, so we are upstairs now and we have wall color. So the bedrooms and the closets will be probably two coated and be completely finished. In the main walking areas, we only ever put one coat before the client moves in because inevitably their movers are gonna come and wreck the walls. We do one coat in the main walkways, that way we can come back, do all the paint touch-ups, clean it up after the client moves in, and good to go in like the main hallways, right? So anyways, it's looking really, really good. Very nice, warm color. And I really like, white doors and trim, and then a color on the walls to get some sort of offset happening between the trim and the wall. I think it looks awesome. So behind almost any wall hung TV, you're going to see this type of electrical outlet. On one side, you have the power, typical 120 volt for your television. And then on the other side, for our projects, we put two Cat6 outlets here. You can never have too much data. Okay, so here we are down in the basement, and you can see we've got all the pot lights hanging from the ceiling right now. Well, that's so that the painters can use a roller and get around all the pot lights and not have brush marks around the pot lights in the ceiling. So they just drop these down. I'm guessing that they just removed the bags that were on these to protect them from getting paint droplets on them or whatever else, because you can see that they've got bags on those ones over there. So one can safely assume that at one point in time, these were also protected. It's just been removed by now. Again, we've got paint color down here. We've got our moldings all dialed, looking great. So now we just have to get all the protection off. So, when we are back here in the next week or two with all of this protection off, and as a home starts to become clean, this is where things start to get really exciting and really, really fun to see. That's a wrap on today, everybody. Hey, listen, if you have a custom home you have been imagining, dreaming, envisioning, we would love to work with you and find success together. Feel free to call us, check us out on the web. We'd love to hear from you, whatever it takes. In the meantime, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, bye now.